Now, we're really making a connection with our abdominal system. That's helping us with strength, control of our postures. It also helps us with balance. Helps us also just to hold in stillness in some poses, but also gives us support as we move from pose to pose. So this is Navasana, or boat pose, but a nice variation of the posture. And of course, there's still breath. We inhale, feel the breath rise, fill up the lungs. And this exhale, we're going to draw the belly button or pull the belly button in towards spine, feeling that nice contraction of the abdominal muscles, that sense of strength here.